Hello, and welcome to this introduction to Zmanda. In this video, we'll be looking at Zmanda from a high-level perspective. It's meant to be a general introduction for anyone, whether you're responsible for marketing, selling, or implementing and supporting Zmanda. In about 5 minutes, I'll go over its key points with you. All right, let's get started. Zmanda is a proven and reliable enterprise backup and recovery solution. It's been around since 1991. It supports traditional data centers as well as virtualized and hybrid cloud environments. It's trusted by some of the biggest names like NASA, Yale University, Boeing, and the Department of Defense. And Zmanda isn't just trustworthy, it's highly cost-effective too, typically coming in 80% less than the competition, which can drive cost savings from day one. Zmanda is open source based and allows for custom integrations via OpenAPI v3 standard APIs. It's packaged in all major enterprise Linux distros, such as Red Hat, Ubuntu, Debian, Rocky Linux, and Fedora. With Zmanda, you have the flexibility to back up your data to the cloud, tape, NAS, and disk, all simultaneously. You can even enable multi-tiered strategies for advanced backup, vaulting, and archival use cases. It also has features such as ransomware protection with air-gap, deduplication, and zero trust security. You get client-side end-to-end encryption with TLS and AES 256-bit encryption. You can even bring your own keys. With all these features, your data is safe and secure with Zmanda. With pre-packaged deployments you can install in under 15 minutes. We support deploying Zmanda as a container, VM, or as an instance from AWS or Azure Marketplace. If you're looking for a high-performance and cost-effective backup and recovery solution, Zmanda is definitely worth checking out. And of course, Zmanda is backed by our expert support from industry veterans. Now, let's look at the customers Zmanda is ideal for. First, customers that generate large amounts of data, such as those in media and entertainment, will benefit greatly from Zmanda. Thanks to our don't pay by the gig model, the data they back up is not metered. This often makes Zmanda dramatically more cost-effective than competitors for any data-intense environments. For highly secure organizations, such as those in government and defense, Zmanda's contained deployment, the air-gap model, is ideal. This allows you to optionally run Zmanda without an internet connection. Universities and other organizations that favor open source software appreciate Zmanda's open source base. This allows them to inspect the code and security model. They can also deploy the community edition as a zero-cost proof of concept. The data they back up is also in open formats, meaning you always have control of your data and avoid vendor lock-in. Next, large enterprises benefit from the centralized Zmanda management console and flexible yet scalable backup policies, allowing them to manage globally distributed, petabyte-scale backup and disaster recovery workflows with ease. For companies that use tape as a core part of their backup and archive strategy, Zmanda's expertise in tape backup is unparalleled. Our core feature set is highly optimized for tape workflows. And if you have a company optimizing its IT expenses, the cost savings comes into play. Saying it one more time, Zmanda's EBR solution typically comes in 80% less expensive than the competition. That means you can deploy a comprehensive enterprise backup and recovery solution and realize cost savings from day one. So, how is Zmanda different from its competitors? I'm going to sum up the key points I've already highlighted. Number one, as you've already heard me say, Zmanda is incredibly cost-effective, typically coming in at 80% less than our competitors. This makes it an excellent option for companies who are looking to reduce costs or avoid data metering. You don't have to worry about paying by the gig with Zmanda. Instead, we license it by the workload. Number two, if you're a company or industry that values open source software, Zmanda is open source based and uses open formats. You can inspect the code and security model. You can integrate custom workflows with our OpenAPI v3 APIs, and you will avoid vendor lock-in. Number three, for those relying on tape storage as a core part of your backup and archive strategy, Zmanda's expertise in tape is unmatched. While you're backing up to tape, Zmanda will also store to other local targets as well as public cloud targets. This allows you to achieve the 3-2-1 backup strategy and helps you migrate to the cloud over time. Number four, if you're looking for a backup solution for highly secure environments, Zmanda can be deployed in a contained zero-trust model. We also have end-to-end encryption, support for bring your own keys, and have features such as RBAC and LDAP integration. All right, so there you have it. Zmanda is a cost-effective, open-source-based hybrid environment solution that can meet the needs of even the most secure customers. With that short introduction to Zmanda, I would like to close with a thank you from our entire team. And now you're ready to hop into the more detailed videos and content, which you can find out at zmanda.com. Thank you so much for watching.